cannot be the two. Why you on a perimeter, can't even shoot? Oh, you got a whack at jump. We gon' make it rain, no thunder. I ain't tryna sit on the phone, tryna.
They putting that under the gym. You on the other side, bro. You on defense.
Yeah. Oh, well, Jacob and them niggas over here when they call me. Y'all know where I got it.
Oh, yeah, we trying him. Down, say hut. Oh! My first throw, that was bad. We good. It's okay. It's only first down. The speaker. We going 4 and 4. Yeah. Down. Say hut. Something easy. Oh yeah, third. Taking a shot.
Yeah, you got that.
Down. Say hut. Nobody's counting. Nobody's counting. How? Nobody's counting. It should have been a pick, but nobody was counting. You want to call sack? All right, 4th down.
Count, Dylan. That shit was blocked.
If you count, I'll play better, I promise.
Down.
Down, say hut.
Give me that. Oh.
That's a dot. And he didn't touch him. Touchdown. Yeah! Yeah! Sack what? Sack what?
If I play defense, I'd do wrong.
Should've just took the pick. I thought I threw it over him perfectly too. It's okay. Boom! Way to get on the board, guys. I got safety. I'm behind you. I got you. Why you on? I was about to say, what are you on the floor for? Bro.
I'm not running no more. I'll call it in. I'll call it in. I'll call it in.
That's what they running, man. Hey, play inside out, man. Stop the crosses. I got you deep, man. If they hit you with a little, I'm gonna be back here. Don't worry about it. Especially on Jordan. I know he's tall or whatever. Woo! Fourth down. Play short. Play short. Yeah, that's good right there. Halfway. I'm behind you, y'all. Ah! Turnover on downs. Let's go. Y'all good? Down. Say hut. Oh. 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 It happens. I should have kept it down. I see we're short route runners, so I'm gonna just get it out quick. Get a couple, 7 yards at a time. We'll be all right. Cut down on that. Cut down on that. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. Oh. I feel like when I play quarterback, I'll put the ball right here, but I don't want to block the view. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Oh. If it was tackle, I would have laid you out. I would have boom. Big stick. I would have boom. Heard you. Down. Say hut. I was actually throwing to him. I didn't know you were coming in, but. Okay. Down, say hut. That was a terrible ball. Oh! Okay, we gotta get a couple yards here. Third, yep. We good. I need some post, I need some corners, and a crosser. Y'all decide who's doing what. Down, say hut. Hey, we need a first, y'all. And we only got 5 seconds to get it. Yeah, 4. We need it, guys. We need it. Down. Say hut. Ah, it's out of bounds anyways. Dang, we needed a couple yards early. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. I'm leaning to the double side. Oh, that's a good catch. He running nice. I'm leaning on the double side. I'm leaning on the double side.
Got a truck going crazy like the first and the third. Got a lot of cash money. I can still get burned. Get away from the chain. You can still get burned.
He running routes. Oh, if he would have let that go through.
She gon' have to wait on. VVS diamond dripping on my t-shirt.
Short. He's going short. He's going short. Oh.
I thought I was in a spin move.
Are we playing zone? Why you say crosser and leave him go?
Because I didn't know we were playing man. Because I didn't know we were playing man.
What?
We've been playing man this whole time?
Yeah.
You said, yeah, okay, I didn't know.
You just gotta communicate. We good though. Get on your man short. Get on your man short. Ooh, good D, good D. What happens? But yeah, we playing man right now. Sack! Yeah, you're right. Third down, let's go. I'm counting. Third down, third down. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's great. Down. Say hut. Yep. Let's go. They tied. Let's go. They tied. Down. Say hut. Oh, you gotta put that in your hands. Down. Say hut. Yeah, 4th? No, that's 1st. Barely. She gonna only touch it with the operation hands. That's real steady. Took it to the spot, little Manny, little petty. Got a good heart, but down. Say hut. Oh yeah, touchdown! Oh my God! Catch that! Now, say hut. 3rd. Down. Say hut. That wasn't a nice throw. Tell me that wasn't a nice throw.
It was way back here.
Man, it hit your hands. This is 4th. Scoot in a little bit, both of y'all, scoot in. Down. Say hut. Thank you. Hey man, come on, bro. Be for it. You can't swap out. I'm leaning on this side. Hey! I didn't have a chance at that one. Hey, out of bounds. If they cross in front of you, say something. Pick. Good thing I wasn't counting, right? Down. Say a hut. I'm not gonna say it. I need to throw it better. As a good quarterback, I need to throw it better. That's on me. Down. Say a hut. Oh, that was a bad throw. Third down. It's a big down. It's a big down right here. Down. Say hut. Oh. Yep. Now first down. Come on. Down. Say hut. Oh. Oh. Down. Say hut. Oh my God. See? We good. Third down, third down, third down. Down. Say hut. That's a high ball. Freak! Oh my God, we need this. Down. Say hut. He counted dumb fast. Out. Fuck. Hey man, I thought he was going. I had to flip my hips and go all the way this way. Oh, that's great defense. I'm with you. In real life, let him go and stay down. Damn. I'm over here, play zone. Hit that bitch across a long time ago. I should have fouled him, bro. And I should have counted because I was just... Thanks for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. If you don't agree with any of my takes, we can argue about it. Get on the podcast, get in the comments, whatever you want to do. You can subscribe to my channel right here. In this other corner, you should get with my TikTok and my Twitter. And in this corner right here, you can watch any more reaction videos, vlogs, or watch any more takes. Till then, see y'all. God bless.